You're out of school for the summer, and for the first time, you have a real opportunity to make real money. Not allowance, not birthday money, a real paycheck with your name on it. But here's the problem most teens run into. They want a job. They just don't know how to actually get one. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to land your first summer job, step by step, where to look, how to apply, what to say, and what jobs are actually hiring teens right now. Let's get into it. First, the age question. Because this matters. Quick note, 14 is generally the minimum age for most regular jobs under federal law. If you're younger, you can still earn babysitting, lawn care, that kind of thing, like we covered in our Season 1 business video. For everyone else, here's how the rules break down. At 14 and 15, you can work, but with limits. In the summer, when school's out, you can work up to 8 hours a day and 40 hours a week. During the school year, it drops significantly, only 3 hours on a school day. Since this is a summer job video, the numbers that matter right now are 8 hours a day and 40 hours a week. One summer-specific rule. If you're 14 or 15, you can work until 9 p.m. from June through Labor Day, but not later. So you can't take the closing shift at a restaurant. Good to know before you apply. There are also limits on the type of work you can do. No heavy machinery or hazardous jobs at this age. At 16 and 17, the hour limits go away entirely. You can work as many hours as you want. The main thing still off limits is dangerous work, like operating heavy machinery until you turn 18. At 18, no restrictions at all. You're treated like any adult employee. Important. When your state's rules are stricter than federal rules, the stricter rule is the one you follow. Some states also require a work permit, sometimes called working papers. Your school or your state's Labor Department website can tell you exactly what applies to you. Now, where do you actually find jobs? Here are the places that consistently hire teens. Fast food and restaurants. McDonald's, Chick-fil-A, Subway, Chipotle. These are the most teen-friendly employers in the country. They hire at 14 or 15 in most states. They offer flexible hours, and they're everywhere. Retail stores, Target, grocery stores, clothing stores, and local shops all hire teens regularly. Look for now hiring signs when you're out. Most big retailers post jobs on their websites. Recreation and summer specific. Pools hire lifeguards and concession workers. Summer camps hire counselors and activity staff. Amusement parks and tourist attractions hire massively in summer. These jobs are fun, seasonal, and specifically designed for teens. Local businesses. The pizza place around the corner, the ice cream shop, the car wash. Small local businesses often prefer hiring teens because they're flexible and enthusiastic. Walk in, ask to speak to the manager. Introduce yourself. Your network. This one is underused. Tell every adult you know that you're looking for a summer job. Parents, neighbors, family friends, your parents' coworkers. Most jobs, even teen jobs, get filled through connections before they're ever posted online. Okay? So you found some places you want to apply. Now what? Here's how to actually apply. Step 1. Prepare your information. Most applications ask for the same things. Your full name, address, phone number, and email. Your school name and grade. An emergency contact. Your availability. What days and hours you can work. And references. 2 or 3 adults who can vouch for you. Teachers, coaches, neighbors, family friends. Not your parents. Step 2. Apply online or in person. For big chains, go to their website and look for careers or jobs. Apply directly through their system. For local businesses, walk in during a slow time, not during a lunch rush. Dress neatly. Ask to speak to the manager. Say, "Hi, my name is your name. I'm looking for summer work and I'm really interested in working here. Do you have any openings?" That's it. Simple and direct. Most teens overthink this moment. Managers are impressed by teens who show up and ask confidently. Step 3. Follow up. If you applied online and haven't heard back in a week, call or stop by. Say, "Hi, I applied online last week and wanted to follow up. I'm really interested in the position." This one step alone puts you ahead of most applicants. Most people apply and wait. You follow up and stand out. Now let's talk about the interview, because you'll probably get one. Teen job interviews are not complicated. They're usually 10 to 15 minutes with a manager or shift supervisor. They want to know 3 things. Can you show up reliably? Be specific about your availability. Tell them exactly which days and hours you're free. The more flexible you are, the better. Are you going to be easy to work with? Be friendly, make eye contact, say please and thank you. They're not looking for experience. They're looking for attitude. Why do you want this job? Have a real answer, not I need money. Something like, I want to learn what it's like to work in a real business, or I want to save up for a specific goal. Showing purpose impresses managers at any level. Here are 3 things to always do in an interview. Show up 5 minutes early, not on time. 5 minutes early. Dress 1 level above what you'd wear to the job. If it's a restaurant, wear neat casual, not a suit, not gym clothes. Send a thank you text or email after. Thank you for taking the time to meet with me today. I'm really excited about the opportunity. Almost no teen does this. It takes 30 seconds and it makes you memorable. Now let's talk about what to do once you get the job. Show up every single shift, on time. This sounds obvious, but it's the #1 reason teens lose jobs. Reliability is the entire job at this stage. Do more than asked. If you finish your tasks, ask what else needs doing. Managers notice. Don't be on your phone. Nothing kills a first job faster than being caught on your phone during work. Be the team they tell other managers about. Word travels fast in local business communities. A great reputation at your first job can get you hired at your second one before you even apply. And whatever you earn from your first job, use the 3-jar system from video 1. 50% spend, 40% save, 10% give. Your first real income is your first real chance to practice it with money that actually matters. Here's your challenge. This week, identify 3 places near you that you'd want to work. Look up their application process, and then actually apply to at least one of them. Don't wait for the perfect opportunity. The best first job is the one you actually get. If this helped you figure out how to land your first summer job, hit subscribe. And let me know in the comments. What job are you going for this summer? See you in the next one.